A true gospel is from God. Kaya naman hindi mo siya pwedeng baguhin. For I would have known, brethren, that the gospel which was preached by me is not according to man. For I neither receive it from man, nor was I taught it, but I receive it through a revelation of Jesus Christ. Yung gospel, hindi yan na-discover, hindi yan inaral, hindi. Binigay yan, ni-reveal yan ni God. Kaya ipinapasa lamang. Kaya wala tayong idadagdag dyan, wala tayong ibabawas dyan, isi-share mo lang. Kaya nga, alam mo, wala rin tayong takot mag-share ng gospel kasi tagadala lang tayo ng mensahe. No, hindi mo kailangan matakot. Kaya iba sa atin natatakot mag-share ng gospel kasi nga, isip natin, tayo yung magpapaliwanag, maintindihan lang yung gospel pag magaling na tayo magpaliwanag. Hindi totoo yan. Ang sasabi ng Lord, ipasa mo lang. Ipasa mo lang. Kaya sabi niya, I received it through a revelation of Jesus Christ.